Meaning of immoderate.
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 Immoderate. The term immoderate refers to something that is excessive or extreme in nature. When someone behaves in an immoderate manner, they could be engaging in behaviors such as overindulging in food or drink, spending too much money on non-necessities, or exhibiting extreme emotional reactions. Such behavior can have negative consequences ranging from physical health issues to strained relationships to financial difficulties. Being mindful of moderation in all areas of life can help individuals maintain a sense of balance and avoid negative outcomes associated with overindulgence or extreme behavior.